Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing this month's November Ipsy. I'm really excited. I have two Ipsy boxes here. There's a large one and a smaller one. Little bag here. This is the little glam bag in there. Ipsy did give this to me, so I'm really excited to unbox it with you guys and to share what I got this month. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys in all of my next Ipsy unboxings. These are so fun to do, and I just love sharing them with you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in this one. We're gonna get started right here. This is a really cute glam bag. I was spoiled by the glam bag this month on Ipsy's page. I believe they have the purple one and this pink one. I really liked the purple one, but this one is really cute. I mean, seeing it in person, it's cute and it's fuzzy, like really soft, just nice, and the gold accents are really cute. So already a great product that I'm pulling out first. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm really excited for this. I've used it before, and I've definitely been needing some brow gel because these things get a little crazy. So I'm really excited that I got this one in. Next we have, this is Sutra Beauty. This is a leave-in cream for your hair. Yes, a leave-in cream for damp or dry hair. So I'm gonna throw it in a little bit right now because my hair is feeling just a little dry. It feels like I'm just putting water in my hair, like a watery film. But we'll see what this does here. So immediately it makes your hair smell good. That's always a good thing. It feels kind of soft. I wonder what this actually does. I should have checked it out. This is I believe it's a heat protectant. So when I am gonna go style my hair, I don't have to worry about putting in other heat protectant. And I'm so sorry in advance if my lighting is going bonkers, because the sun is doing crazy things today, so that is why. All right, next we have here this, I think it's pronounced Sonage, the new natural hydrating mist. So this is a little makeup mist, a little setting spray. So I'm just gonna check it out. Okay, it smells a little citrusy, but whew, it is harsh. Like the spray itself, it kind of like smacks you in the face. All right, next we have here, this is State Most Wanted. This is what, a lip gloss? Yes, this is a lip gloss, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. And last we have in the bag is this Beauty for Real concealer brush. We're gonna jump into the smaller box that Ipsy sent over. Ooh, I already see some good stuff. First we have here this Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. I'm very confused. Is it a serum or is it a toner? This is the Hydra Blue from La Palette Beauty. I really like the packaging. It's very blue, purpley, and pretty. So it says it's a multiple skincare. It's a 3-in-1. It's a toner, serum, and hydrogel mask. So I guess you kind of like let it absorb into your face and just not have to wash it off. So this is really cool. I'm really interested to try this out. And oh my gosh, you guys, it actually has like petals in here. This is beautiful. This looks like a product that I would make. Next we have this Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Body Cream. I believe I've had this before, but it came in like a little mini, so I didn't get too much of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and smell it and see if I recognize it. So it kind of smells like florally, but it is really nice. It is vegan, paraben free, so this will be a nice add-in to your routine, skin routine. And now we have, ooh, this is a face cream with shea butter. And this is, I do not know how to pronounce this, so is it L-Occitane? I don't actually know, so someone let me know in the comments because I'm the worst at this. This is a really, really neat jar though. This is really like, looks very skin professional, like something at a dermatologist. It is supposed to be light comforting cream. It looks so, it smells very clean. It looks so fancy. Next we have this Anastasia Beverly Hills satin lipstick in the shade Taupe Beige. I'm excited for this one. I love Anastasia products, and this shade looks like it's my kind of shade. I really don't like super dark shades because they don't go well with my hair color, but this looks really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand to show you guys. Definitely a shade I would use. And last but not least here, looks like we have an eyeshadow palette. That's right, this is from Aloe Cosmetics. And here's like a little show of the colors here. This looks pretty. I mean, I'm gonna open it up and look at the colors, but the colors already look really pretty. So here's the palette. It does have some pretty shades in here. I think my favorite is Buena Vista. And that is all for this box. So now we're gonna jump into the really big box. Ooh. All right, guys, we hit the jackpot here, I have to say. So starting off really, really good here, we have the Tatcha Rice Wash. I love every Tatcha product I've ever used. My skin always has like a drastic difference when I use their products, so I am so grateful and so excited about this. I haven't tried their wash yet, but I have tried other products. My favorite right now is their moisturizers because they just feel so good. Now we also have a Murad product. I like Murad products. I've discovered them through Ipsy actually, and got to try my first several Murad products through Ipsy. So this one I'm excited for. This is a rapid collagen infusion. This is, I believe, a serum. But I'm currently using one of their eye products, and I really like it. It keeps my eyes really fresh and moisturized. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test a sample right on my hand. It smells really refreshing, very spa-like. Oh, and it's just so smooth. Their products are so nice. Definitely a fave already. Next we have this Aloe Glow system. It's super fruit moisturizing body lotion. They are vegan and cruelty free, which is very nice. I'm gonna give it a smell because that's my thing today. I gotta smell every product. It smells really nice. I just can't think of like a scent that I can describe it for, but it is really nice. And next we have here, ooh, this looks interesting. This packaging is really neat. I just don't know the brand name. PML? Yeah, guys, I'm not sure the brand name here, but it is Extreme Black. I'm assuming this is a mascara. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've never, so I've heard of this brand, but I've never seen their packaging, and I really couldn't tell you what it was, but it does say it on the mascara here. So this is Pat McGrath Labs Dark Mascara, excuse me, Dark Star Mascara, and the brush looks really nice. It reminds me of the Better Than Sex brush, and I haven't tried this brand, but I'm really excited. I've only heard good things. I just love getting new mascaras. I love trying brand new mascaras, and I go through them so much, so I'm really excited for that one. But next we do have this LYS Beauty. These are glossy lip products. So these are just like little topper glosses. Now we have this Ace Beauty Face Primer. I'm very skeptical and really funny about the face primers that I use. I already found a good one that really works for my skin, so I don't know if I'll be trying this just because it's took me a while to find that perfect primer. So I'm not sure, but I will test this out on the back of my hand and see how it feels. Some I just really feel clog my skin. I don't know. Does anyone else feel like that? Because I feel like I can't use many primers. Like, I went through this whole trial where I was trying on several different primers, and of course giving some time in between, but I just would break out so bad. Okay, this one feels like a moisturizer, kind of. And it doesn't really have a scent, so it's hard to say. Maybe I will give this one a try. Alright guys, we're almost through here. Next we have this Danessa Myrix Beauty. This is a dewy wet balm for highlighting face and body. I actually haven't been using too much highlighter lately. This is in the shade Rose Water. Oh, it does look really, really pretty. It definitely feels like lip gloss. I don't know how I would feel putting this on my body, but I will definitely check it out. And it is not scented, so. And last but not least, you guys, we have Patchology's Illuminating, you guys, I can't talk today. Patchology's Illuminating Eye Gels. I was actually using these for a very long time. Like 5 years ago, I was constantly buying these. But they're really nice. Right now I'm using Pixie's. I love Pixie's eye patches, but these are really, really nice. I enjoy these. Alright you guys, that's it for this month's Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed unboxing it. I love doing these kinds of videos, so if you do enjoy these videos just like I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because there's more to come. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more Ipsy unboxing. Did you get your Ipsy unboxing just yet? Are you excited to unbox yours? I want to know all the things. Thanks so much guys for watching. Bye!